now we want to plot it. Zero, -5, and on the slope of -1. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Be careful with the tool thing. Make sure you do the slope. It's a lot of easy ways to make your mouse mess up. Just be careful. More questions?
I think it's number 3 on that. Yeah, 3 on that section.
On the line section? On the parameter section? Oh, we don't know.
Yeah, 1.1.
1.1, number 3? Number 3? Yep. Find x such that the distance between the points is 15. Distance formula. Given the points that they have, you're supposed to subtract the x's. If you want to go in this order, be careful. -10, take away x, square, plus subtract the y's, -1, take away 11, square. And then that should be equal, this distance, should be equal to 15. This guy here is a -12. You square them and you get 144. Should be equal to 15. Your job is to solve for x, and there's lots of things that are being done to x. You have to undo them, working your way outside in. So what should we do algebraically?
Square.
Square both sides. That would get rid of the square root. 15 squared is 225. And you got what's underneath the square root. And you're on your way. Algebraically, what would you do next? Say it again. Yeah, get rid of 144 first. $81. That's what negative 10 minus x squared is. Got to get rid of the 2 from the square. Square root. When you do it, though, be careful. Plus or minus on the other side. I know it's hard to remember that, but when you take a square root, you know, in doing algebra, to undo a square, you're going to have to do plus or minus on the other side. Plus or minus 9. Now what? We want to get x by itself. We can add x to both sides. Nothing wrong with that. But if we get rid of this, we'll do it. However you want to. If we add x, that puts it over there. Plus or minus. All right, let's go with it. Let's add x. Let's add x. Oh, what happened to? Whatever. Okay. So what that gives us is x plus or minus 9 and a negative 10 on this side. So weird. There's two different things. Maybe we should even split them up. Negative 10 is x plus 9. Negative 10 is x minus 9. You know what I mean? That plus or minus symbol, trying to do algebra with that symbol, it just doesn't work. So subtract 9 and then add 9 on the other one. Subtract 9 here to get negative 19. Add 9 here to get negative 1. Two different answers to the question. One is smaller than the other, and I think they want the smaller one first. Smaller value first would be negative 19. And then the larger value is negative 1. Let's verify it though. Make sure you get started on this as soon as possible because you see how many different parts each question has, and so then you got these graphing tools that try to figure out. So there are 3 sections due on Sunday at midnight.